Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in today's video I am going to show you how to create a simple brand logo for your low and no content book publishing. For example, if you would like to publish books for kids, then you should make a separate brand for kids publishing, kids books and low content books for kids, puzzle books, like sketch books, like any dot books. Then you should make a brand for that separate niche or category. So if you are making a brand, then you should always leave a logo. So before going to make details of how to make the logo for that, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, because I love to put up videos every now and then about KDP publishing and low and no content books publishing. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the thumbs up button. It is much appreciated. Thanks. So let's go to work. Here I am on Canva.com. That's the main screen. You can go to home, click here. I'm starting from scratch. So click home, and on the search bar type logo. The simple type logo. And here drop down you will see these templates. You can even select them from here, but I'm making it simple. So just click on logo, making it step by step. So these are the pre-made templates for brand logos or any type of logo you want to make. So these are some templates. Just select one of them, and we can also select another always as well. So I am just selecting this one, this yellow one, and here it will open up the design main interface. So that's we are here on the editing page. On these sites you can search for templates by using your keyword. For example, I wanted to make a kids brand for low content books, kids low content books. Then I am searching for kids. It may bring some colors or some, you may guess the brand targeted towards kids. So here you can see this is simple, and it attracts kids this way. So I'm looking for example X, Y, Z, kids, and here on this one I am writing publishing. X, Y, Z, kids publishing. Before doing that, just make it locked it. This background should be locked so that it doesn't move around. Now select these all and then click on ungroup. Why I'm ungrouping it? Because there is a huge gap between these two texts, so I need to make them look good. So just here you can even write in bold the first word and then make kids publishing, or it may be some longer word, so or a bigger word. So you need to make sure that text is big one, and here it is smaller text. So make it shorter, a bit bold or big, like this, and align these texts as well. So here you can also change the now select on these and make them align them center align them, or you can here click on the position and click center, and then before doing that just group them and click on center, then click on middle. So you can also click on background and unlock it, and then you can also click on this and go then again. If you want to change this image, then just delete and go to the elements and search an image of kids. So you may like this one, star, or you may you may be willing to do some other image. Just you can also change the colors like this. No. Yeah. So you can even change the background color to something more appealing to kids, like this or this one. So in this way, you can make a brand logo, but here you need to download it as with transparent background. So once we are done with the logo, then you can save it as PNG, JPEG or PDF. Click on the download. From here we will save it as PNG. I am using Canva Pro, that's why I can save it as with transparent background. But if you are not using Canva Pro, then you will not be able to download it as with transparent background. In that case, I have a way to do that, to make this transparent. Then I am going to show you this as well. So currently I am not downloading it as with transparent background, so that I can show you how to get the transparent background. Just download it and save it to your hard drive as PNG. So I am saving it as PNG and renaming it as XYZ Kids. So click on save and just open the folder and locate it where it has been saved recently. So I am working on kids books. So here on, just right click on that and open it with paint.net. If you have paint.net installed, it's free software. It's just do a simple picture editing. So in the paint.net here, I'm going to show you how to remove the background. So just go to this magic paint and click on here while holding shift. It will select all the white blue space. Then hit delete from your keyboard. Boom! We have a transparent logo for our kids publishing brand. Now simply go to File, Save As, and save it as PNG and rename it. You may need both of them, with blue background and with transparent background, so I'm saving it as another duplicate file. So click on OK and hit delete and just see how it looks. So it is the transparent one, and here is the blue background. So you can also use some online tools to remove background, like that is remove.bg. It's a website. It removes the background of it's make a transparent PNGs or any other photo. Just visit them and upload them. Upload here your PNG like this and remove your background. I have shown you the two options, whichever suits you, go along with that. Now just click download and download it as. So let's check it out as well. Preview. You can see transparent logo is here. You can use it on your covers of your low content books. So that's all from me today. In this video, I have shown you how to make a brand logo for your low and no content book publishing. And in case you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel because I have really cool stuff coming up along the line. So I have already published some very good videos. You can also go and watch this as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.